Hello, my name is Danny as a going for UR15 CS304. Today I'll be doing experiment number 3 of Java Lab. So the question that I've got is to manage the employee details, that is add, edit, delete and display the employee details. So before going to the main function, I'll jump to the employee class. Here I've created 5 variables, that is name, ID, department, designation and experience. Here are the setter and getter methods that are generated by the NetBeans IDE. Here I've created a public void get data end function which directly takes all the details in one go and it will store it into the variables. Next is edit details. um, it asks for the ID the uh, of the employee and the specific detail that we want to update. So in a switch case we can just one by one just replace the existing detail with the new detail. And the third function is delete function, and it will delete a certain employee from the array. And the last one is display function, which will display all the employees in the array. So now moving on to the main function. um, Here I've created an employee array of 50 members, and I'm giving a reference to each of these variables. Now in a do while loop, I'm asking the user to give his option as to add or edit or delete or display the uh, employee. So in a switch case, the first one is number of employees. I'll ask him for the number of employees, and in a loop, I will call the get data end function. So if suppose I enter the value 3, so it will get the details. It will call the data and function 3 times, that is getting the details of 3 employees altogether. The second option is for editing the details, and here I'll be asking for the ID of the user, and according to the ID, I'll in this loop I'll be finding out at which position the ID of the employee matches the searching ID, and I'll call the edit details function and edit the specific detail that he wants to edit. And the third one is for deleting the details, and here again I'll be asking for the ID of the user, and it will find it from the array in this loop, and then EFI dot delete, and thus we can delete the uh, element from the array. And the last one is display. So how many it will just display all the users that are there in the all the employees that are there in the array. And you can continue putting more and more options as long as you press 1 or 0. So this is the program. Now I'll be running the program for you. um, First I want to add 2 employees. First is Danny. Second is Poncho. Employee ID 2, IT department, HOD, and experience of 6 years. Now I'm continuing. As you can see, now we have 2 employees already in our list, and in our display function, as you can see, here are the two employees over here. So now I'm going to continue. I'm going to edit. I want to edit employee number 2. So I'm going to edit Poncho, and I'll be editing the name, and I'll be putting it as Akshay, and the employee name has been successfully updated. Now I'm going to continue and display it for you. As you can see that Poncho has successfully turned to Akshay. So we can update each and every single employee's details through this. Then we can delete an employee. For example, I'll be deleting the second employee, that is Akshay, and it shows that details of the it has been successfully deleted from the array. So now if we go to the display function, as you can see Akshay has been removed and there's only one employee currently. So thank you for watching the video.